So we're going to learn how to do our bar graph for our bird beak buffet lab. You've got all your data in your data table, and now we need to start labeling our axes. Now with our bar graph, the bars are going to go up and down, or vertical. That means we need our numbers on the y-axis so we can see how high each bar goes. In our lab, we were counting the different items. Those items represented food. So on my y-axis, I'm going to write amount of food. You'll need to number your y-axis, but your numbers are going to vary depending on what your data is for your group. I also need to label my x-axis. This is going to be the type of beak. We used 4 different tools to represent beaks, and for each beak we had 4 different food items that we were trying to pick up. That means that there are going to be 4 bars for every beak. So here's what you can do. Count 4 bars and then leave a little bar for a space. 4 bars and then a bar for a space. 4 bars, bar for a space, and 4 more bars. So now you can see these are the bars you're going to use for each beak type. So maybe these are the bars for my spoon. Maybe those are the bars for my forceps. Okay, you also see a legend up here. That means you need to pick a color for every food type, and that color is going to be the same throughout your whole bar graph. So if I chose pink for paper clips, then every bar I do for paper clips will be pink. If I choose blue for beans, then every bar I do for beans is going to be blue. Don't forget, you also need to come up with a title, and you'll come up with that on your own. And again, remember you need to number your y-axis.